Hello everyone, let's start with MKL, another section C question of Kaplan kit. This is a past paper question as well. Product M is currently being tested by MKL and is to be launched in 10 weeks time. The M is an innovative product which the company believes will change the entire market. The company has decided to use a market skimming approach to price this product during its introduction stage. MKL continually reviews its product range and enhances its existing product by developing new models to satisfy the demand of its customers. The company intends to always have products at each stage of the product life cycle to ensure the company's continued presence in the market. MKL is currently reviewing its two existing flagship products, Product K and Product L. You have been given the following information. Product K was introduced to the market some time ago and is now about to enter the maturity stage of its life cycle. The maturity stage is expected to last for 10 weeks. Each unit has a variable cost of $38 and takes one standard hour to produce. The managing director is unsure which of four possible prices the company should charge during the next 10 weeks. The following table shows the results of some market selling price per unit. Okay, weekly demand. Product L was introduced to the market 2 months ago using a penetration pricing policy and is now about to enter its growth stage. This stage is This stage is expected to last for 20 weeks. The stage is expected to last for 20 weeks and each unit has a variable cost of 45 and takes 1.25 standard hours to produce. Okay. Market research has indicated that there is a linear relationship between its selling price, the number of units demanded of from okay, the demand equation is also given and we have been given the selling price and demand which is expected, that is 1000 per week, and every 10 increase and the demand will reduce by 200 units, and for every 10 decrease the demand will increase by 200. Okay, now the company currently has a production facility which has a capacity of 2000 standard hours per week. This facility is being expanded, but the extra capacity will not be available for 10 weeks. All right. The first requirement is calculate which of the four selling prices should be charged for product K in order to maximize its contribution during its maturity stage. Let's read out this portion for this, which is relevant for calculating the maximum contribution. We have been given the selling price. Are we given any variable cost? How will I calculate my contribution? The variable cost is actually 38, which has been given over here. And the weekly demands, okay. Selling per price is also given. Okay. So units, I'll write units at 600, 800, 1200 and 400. These are units. And then I have the selling price 100, 85, 80, 75, and then I have the variable cost as 38. So the contribution should be 100 minus 38. So the revenue is contribution is 62 and my units are 600, so 62 into 600. Not the revenue, it's actually the contribution. I can say the total contribution. No. So the maximum contribution is earned when the selling price is 75, because it is giving the maximum contribution over here of 51,800. So the answer to the very first part is the selling price that should be charged to product K, in order to maximize its contribution during its maturity stages 75. The B part of this question is, following from your answer in A, calculate the selling price of L during the growth stage. So that can be with the help of this demand equation which has been given. The demand equation is P is equal to A minus BX, and we have been given B also, the information for B as well, which is 10 upon 200. So it will be 10 upon 200 and it is 0.05. What else we have been given? We have been given demand, we have been given price. So if my price is 100, it was given 100, right? Yeah. We need to find out A basically. So this is how we're going to find. A is equal to 150. So my demand equation should be 150. P is equal to 150 minus 0.05 Q. Okay. Now for product L, we have been given as a variable cost of 45. So marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Marginal cost is what? 45, right? So we have been given marginal cost as 45. Okay, and what is the equation for marginal revenue? It's A minus 2BQ. So in this case it will be 45, and A we have already calculated as 150, 2 into 0.05, and we'll calculate Q. 150 minus 45, it's 105. So Q is equal to 105 upon 0.1. So Q is equal to 1050, and I'll replace this over there, this in my demand equation to get the selling price. So at growth stage, it is the selling price should be 97.5. The last part, it is asking us, we need to compare and contrast the market, contrast penetration and skimming prices strategy during the introduction stage using product M to illustrate our answer. So this is something discursive, and I'll just read out what it is. So given that the product is innovative and unlike is sorry, I'll read it again. Given that the product is innovative and unlike any current products on the market, then a skimming strategy would seem a very good fit, as the product in new and exciting, charging a high price would help target the early adapters in the introduction stage. So this would also have the advantage of allowing product M to be produced in relatively low volumes while still generating good cash flows to recoup the essential research and development and launch costs traditionally linked to this kind of products. Finally, as the market is untested for the product, it allows the firm to start with a high intro price and adjust downwards accordingly. Okay. And what about penetration pricing? So the tactic represents alternative approach when launching a new product. It involves charging an initially low price to quickly gain the market share. It offers advantages of scaring off potential entrants to the new market and may allow the firm to exploit the economies of scale. However, given that our product M is differentiated and there will be little if any immediate competition, we think that the company is right to adopt the skimming strategy for its pricing. So that's it.